Ya kania ka umbrella post matric scholarship la plai ba ha ka arpunyo terik unailar arajar arpun Riewlum menteri rang ba kejelau konrat kongkal sangma rengkat ke jingidan lang menteri ketera deputi ubala kemen rembui ke officer Sorkar Samla Pule bat kide na ke Bynta kini ke senam Pule kendai pun hajar praspa kat artili ki application na ki Samla Pule schedule tribe na keleng kejelau Meghalaya la depan shisha da ke jingmang mentelut berolang kapakot chispa kendai pupra poin sawar Klur Tyngka. Katana Tribal Affairs ke Sorkar Pedeng kalau pak ketian ya ke bahak ke Sorkar Pedeng ba prapusau poin sansan Klur Tyngka ba ke Sorkar Jylla kalau pelak shpo nak chispa ke bahak jong ka kendai poin saunot Klur Tyngka ban pentikna bahkan dan kejing penslam. Berolang kendai pulai poin Riau kendai pra Klur Tyngka la pelat kum ke installment beningkong syaki kendai pun rewajar praspa kat arngut kibede benyo na baru ki district lang baga direct benefit transfer ke ban poi bet ki bank account jik Samla Pule. Habakran ni kejing elang ukon rat kongkal sang mau loong baga ni kejing pelat tolong ke bai school ke ban sasio no hakapor ke babiang baga de ke bai hostel ke ban amtendrong ya kejing kit ikilong yang long sem. Baga deiru na ban ta ke bai kot bagi tiar Pule ke bagi Samla Pule kimdan kam syuk ban khuslai bakin yo bagi de kuburam bajar-jar jeng Samla shenrang bakan thai ki ba la ka bakat do bagan plat jengmut ak jeng Pule jongki ulong ba ha ki snam ki balalet no ka jeng plat pisah dan ke Sorkar Pedeng ka ju slam ba bar ka snam balalet ke Sorkar Jylla ka plat lupa ke pisah shwa ka Christmas na la ka jong ka plat tengka bar hadian ka pen bed ya ka na ka pisah ka bapha na ka Sorkar Pedeng.
So education department is like like the wires of your headphones or the different strings that are all jumbled up together. And your natural instinct is to pull and hope that everything just falls into place. And that's what you would do. Suddenly you would pull it, only to realize that you are actually complicating the problem even more. And so the only way to resolve the problem is to take this bunch of knots and untie them one by one, which requires a lot of patience, which requires a lot of concentration, and which requires the other people watching this knot being this bundle of knots being unknotted and saying, "What are you doing? Do it fast." And that's precisely what the education sector has been for us for the last 8 years. But as correctly mentioned by Honorable Minister in his speech, we are on the right path. We have started to take steps which are meaningful, which are decisive, which are rectifying foundational challenges and problems that existed in the education system. And today being able to structure it in a manner and then allow the system to flow so that slowly and steadily things fall into place. And when I talk like that, I know for some of you it may just sound like a really boring speech. But some of us who are in the education sector can understand what I'm talking about. And they will agree with me when I tell them that all of us who have been working on this, untangling these knots, can see what will happen in the next 5 years from now. I can see it. I can literally vision what's going to happen in 5 years. I can see the next 10 years. I can see what's going to happen for the PGI. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our teacher ratios. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our science education, our higher secondary education. I can see how the colleges and higher technical education is going to go up. And I can foresee where we are going to go forward because we have laid those foundations now. We have untangled those knots. We have changed the structural problems that were there in the system to allow now the system to move in the right direction. And it's been a long journey. I don't want to get into what the problems were. But I do take this moment to really put my sense of appreciation and gratitude to all the people who have put in hours and hours, gone through the pressure of different stakeholders coming in and demanding different things. And one pulling you from this side, the other pulling you from this side. Yet staying focused on what we are supposed to do and moving forward.